So you have a Samsung Galaxy phone, you're trying to screen mirror to a TV using Smart View, and when you bring up Smart View, your TV, no TV show up here, or maybe the TV you're looking for does not show up on here. I'm going to show you how to get you up and running. Now the first thing to take note is that both the TV and your phone need to be on the same Wi-Fi network. If you still have issues where it's not showing up, then the next thing is go ahead and unplug your TV for 30 seconds and then plug it back in. Also restart your phone and then go to Smart View and see if your TV shows up. If it's still a no-go, then go ahead and just reset your network. It could do something with the Wi-Fi, okay? So go to your TV, reset your Wi-Fi or reset your network, and then you're just going to have to re-input or connect back to your Wi-Fi and put your Wi-Fi password. And once you do that, go back to your phone and see if your TV pops up on Smart View. Now, if it's not popping up, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to actually go to the Smart View app, okay? So top right-hand side, I'm going to slide down. Now, just look for Smart View, okay? Depending on what Samsung phone you have, you may have to swipe to the left. You might have to swipe, go all the way down more. Anyway, this is a Flip 8 here, and I see Smart View here. So let me tap on Smart View. Now, the TV that I want still doesn't pop up here, okay? So what I want to do is click on the three dots here, and I'm going to go to Settings. From here, I'm going to tap on Labs. Now, look at this down here. Well, also up here, allow all apps to be cast. Okay, you can read through that, but also down here it says allow screen mirroring on Google Cast devices. So you have a TV, like a Hisense TV that has Google TV, then all you got to do is turn that on and just go back to the Smart View, and then it should pop up there. If you don't have the ones with the Google TV, no problem, and you're still down, next thing is this. We're going to go back here. We're going to tap on the three dots right there. We're going to go back to Settings. And now this time we're going to tap on down here About Smart View. Tap on About Smart View. And now we're going to tap on the little I for information up there. Now there's several things that we have to do here, okay? Now under permissions here, tap on permissions. And now you can see allowed and not allowed. Nearby devices, it should be allowed, okay? So allow, go back, and then we're also going to scroll up. Now also down here it says appear on top. Tap on that, make sure allow permission. Okay, so appear on top is on, and then down here change system settings, make sure that is on as well. And then from here all you got to do is just go back again, and then see if your TV populates here. Now if it still doesn't populate under Smart View, it may be the TV. Some TVs, like for instance, Amazon Fire TV, you have to go to a certain screen to be able to mirror, okay? So like for example, and there's other TV models that do this as well. So for example, for this TV here, Amazon Fire TV, for me to mirror this, use Smart View, I have to go to Settings, and then I'm gonna go down, and on this TV here, I go to Display and Sounds, and then I'll have to go down to enable display mirroring on this TV. So I select that. And now for this TV model, I have to leave this on here. And now when I go to Smart View, top right hand side, slide down, tap on Smart View. And this TV is called the 14 TV. And now it appears here. Then I can tap on that right there. And I should be able to connect now. And voila, we are in business. Now here's the thing, if your TV is not showing up, then what I would recommend is do every step. Do it 2 times, do it like 3 times. Sometimes that 3rd time is a charm. There you go.